watching Book Geeks India, which is a channel where I make book related videos. So guys, in this video I bring to you the book review of this book, Intern Abroad This Summer by Aniket Singh. Though my college days are over, I still recall the huge difference in the attitude of people or students applying for internships, and this made all the difference because eventually internships do give us an advantage. Even when I was working as a marketing manager and I had people coming to me for internships, I saw a huge difference in the attitudes of various students. Some of them really wanted to work for it and some of them just wanted me to sign their attendance sheets and their research reports. So that was it. So I think there's a general misconception about the advantages that an internship can give you. And this is where this book plugs in the gap. So basically this book is a kind of self-help book which is essentially meant for college going students who are looking for internships, who will be joining internships in the coming years. And this gives you the perfect advice as to how to apply for foreign internships, how to find them and how to go about them in general. So I think it's a really good book. It's a really informative book for people like that. So in particular, this book stresses on the importance of foreign internships over Indian ones. And this is because foreign internships definitely give you an edge over the Indian ones. The idea of finding a foreign internship for an Indian student is rather unknown in India today. And this is probably because many people don't know about it, many people don't know what are the options available, many people don't know how to go for it. And that is where this book comes into picture because it is an all-encompassing guide to foreign internships for Indian students. Now coming to the point that this book is actually helpful or not, I think it's helpful not just because it gives you the entire information, but because it gives you all this information in a really simple and easy to understand format. It's not an academic read, guys. It is more of a career counselor kind of read. So basically when you read this book, it's not like reading an academic read. It's basically like as if you are talking to a guidance counselor or a career counselor. And I also like the fact that the author has put a lot of humor in it. There are a lot of illustrations and examples and just plethora of information. And as if that was not enough, the author also brings about a lot of stories from his own experience, from other students' experience. It not just gives you a chronological list of all the steps that involve a foreign internship, but it also gives you a lot of information about institutes which are providing internship, not just abroad but in India as well. Now many people have this notion that when you apply for a foreign internship, everything has to be incurred by you. But no, there are colleges, there are institutes, there are professors and there are organizations which provide you with full funded internships, which sponsor the entire duration and stay and everything about the internship. So moving on to who this book is relevant for. So this book has been written keeping in mind engineering students and MBA students, business students. So basically majority of the points it covers and majority of the information it gives is with respect to these two category of students. But even though if you're an art student or if you're a science student, even then you can gain a lot of information from this book. Talking about what I did not like about this book, so there were a few places where the editing was really poor and could have been definitely better. So that is one thing which I did not like about the book. Also there's a section which talks about the various research institutes which provide scholarships in India. So each institute has a paragraph dedicated to it, and I found this one paragraph which was actually taken from the website as it is, and that was something which I really did not like. So it's just a copy paste job. So my suggestion is to go for this book if you are a college student or a parent of a college student who will be applying to internships pretty soon or in the coming years. It's better to be prepared beforehand. Or those of you who have no clue how to go about a foreign internship, we should definitely read this book. It will clear a lot of doubts. It will also clear a lot of misconceptions associated with the foreign internship. So basically it's a must read book for any management or engineering student. So guys, that's it from me in this video. This was the book review of Intern Abroad This Summer by Aniket Singh. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like, share and comment. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.